In this video, we shall see how to install the latest version of Git on a Mac. First, open Terminal. Before installing Git, let us check the Git version currently available on the Mac. Type git space -- version and press enter. You may already see a Git version installed by Apple. Now, let us check whether Homebrew is installed. Type brew space -- version and press enter. If Homebrew is installed, its version information is displayed. If you see a command not found message, Homebrew is not installed. In that case, open the official Homebrew website in your browser. Copy the installation command shown on the website. Paste the command into terminal and press enter. Homebrew may ask for your Mac login password. Enter the password and continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, Homebrew may display one or more commands to add Homebrew to your shell path. Copy and execute those commands exactly as shown in terminal. Now, verify the Homebrew installation. Type brew space -- version and press enter. You should now see the installed Homebrew version. Next, let us install Git. Type brew space install space git and press enter. Homebrew downloads and installs the latest available version of Git. Once the installation is complete, close this terminal window and open a new terminal window. Now, check the Git version again. Type git space -- version and press enter. You should now see the newer Git version installed through Homebrew. Next, let us check which Git executable is currently being used. Type which space git and press enter. On an Apple Silicon Mac, the Homebrew version of Git is usually available at /op/homebrew/bin/git. This confirms that terminal is using the Git version installed through Homebrew. Later, if you want to update Git, first update Homebrew. Type brew space update and press enter. Then type brew space upgrade space git and press enter. The latest version of Git is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. Thank you for watching. Please like the video. For more programming tutorials, please subscribe to the channel.